Hi, it is Wednesday. We're back at the home of Rindt, really. We love Thruxton, and Mr. Marion, Tony, who unfortunately was responsible for getting me back in a race car, so it's all his fault. And today we've got Julia and Kamil doing their ARDS. They're presently inside doing their ARDS.
Yes.
How'd they do on track?
Very well. Well, as I said to Julia before we started, she's got an added advantage because females normally listen. It's not like us blokes when we go racing. Driving cars, all about beating your chest, and but the girls tend to start off a little bit steadier. Not that Julia did start off steadier.
I was going to say, I was sat watching as she took off, and she seemed to have suffered a lead foot.
Yes, her diving boot was on, and she was away. But once we got that a little bit ironed out, she was absolutely fine, no problem at all. And equally, Kamil, you know, very good. I have sat briefly with Kamil before, but he's no problem whatsoever. Once he got his head round, because it's 2.4 miles, so it's very wide, so very easy to get lost. Once he got his head round which bend leads on to the next bend to the next, and positioning, he was fine. So I don't think we've got any problems today.
Well, good luck, we'll see. But we do all our ARDS testing up here, and all through you and Pat. We'll do a bit with Pat later. He can explain the process of ARDS testing and junior ARDS and so on. But the reason we use this place, it's very personable. So it's obviously very professionally run, but you're not a number up here. You're a personality, and people talk to you like you're human, which is sadly lost at some other motor circuits. So we're always pleased to come up here, always pleased to see you. You know, bit of a mentor, a very good mate. So well done you. Get out in my GT4.
It was excellent.
It's a nice car, isn't it?
Yeah, it was really, really good. Sorry about your tyres a bit. I did on one corner go.
There you go.
That was very good.
One down.
Very good. Yeah. Thank you.
No, thank you.
One down.
That was good. That was nice.
Getting back in there this afternoon.
Yeah, and well, as I say, we'll go back out again, you know, this morning.
Oh.
If you have a chill,
Yep.
and I'll take Kamil and just get him sort of up to speed round here and give him an idea.
Lovely. I'll see you in a
Come
little
and see you in a minute.
So, afternoon, thought I'd introduce Pat. Pat has known me now for 2 and a bit years and has somehow managed to put up with me. Thank you very much again for today.
You're welcome.
Just want Pat to explain really what ARDS testing is. So, I learnt about all of this 2.5 years ago, but this man is the ARDS guru. So, do you want to give us a little idea of why we do ARDS and what it is?
ARDS is actually the Association of Racing Drivers Schools, so it's the course is affectionately known as the ARDS course, but to give it its full title, it's the Motorsport UK Novice Driver Training Course.
Right.
So it's a mandatory course for anybody that wants to get into circuit racing.
Club racing,
any circuit racing. It's not teaching you how to be a racing driver, it's giving you the basics.
Gives you an understanding of what to expect when you get out there.
It does, and our criteria really is to make sure that we're comfortable with you being safe out on the circuit for your first race. So
not just safety for you, but for everybody else that's around you.
Absolutely, and the matrix that we work on is, would I feel safe with that, sitting on the grid with that person?
Then once you get that, you're off and you're racing and you've got your little cross of doom.
Absolutely.
For 6 races, complete those, get your signatures.
Upgrade to your national
license, and you're off.
And you're off, and
brilliant.
Then you can go through the stages there. The reality is, when you first start racing, don't pick something with 600 horsepower.
Yeah, start at the bottom, work your way up.
Absolutely. Find something where you're ahead of where you're ahead of the car. That's really the key to it.
But I mean, it's so much huge fun, isn't it? And we always come up here. The reason we come up here, Pat, is we're humanised up here. We're people. Where we've been to an awful lot of racetracks where ARDS testing doesn't deal with people. You feel like you're a number. So well done to you and all your staff, because we love coming to Thruxton. All of our clients that do ARDS all do them up here. So thank you very much for your time.
We like to have a bit more of a relaxed atmosphere here.
Exactly. It's a nervy time for everybody, isn't it?
No shortcuts to getting through the course. And just because you do the course, there's no guarantee you're going to pass.
No,
but we're a bit more relaxed. We haven't got the commercial pressures of some of the other circuits where you've only got X amount of time on circuit. If you haven't reached the standard by then unfortunately you're away to come back another day.
It's always a great place to come up here. We enjoy it.
Hopefully give you that extra little bit of time just to build up.
And some people need that, don't they?
They do,
It's just so far away from driving on a road that we get people phoning us up saying, I drive really quickly on the road, and you think, well, you're probably not going to be the person for me then.
No, you're not.
You want somebody who's safe, who knows what's around them, and can progress that way.
99% of it is this, and only 1% hands and feet. So get this bit working
right, and everything else falls into place. All right, lovely. Thank you very much for your time.
Always
See you again
pleasure.
soon. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Cheers.
Excellent.
Yeah. Kamil's failed.
So, the end of a successful day. Well done. Thank you, Tony, as always.
Pleasure.
We now have 2 new race drivers in our midst. So, congratulations, Julia. Well done. Despite being the most nervous person I've ever met in my life. And congratulations. Well done. Thank you for all your hard work. I reward those that help our company, and you've done a really good job, so well done. And Sam, thank you very much for doing all of this and filming it and so on. And for anyone who needs to know, Thruxton's the place to come and do your ARDS test. It's a relaxed atmosphere, it's a fun place to be. You get to do it in a GT4, there's not many that do that. Well done all. See you again.